today we're gonna solve a problem. My W204 2013 model M274 engine has a problem while shifting gears. It jerks. After some research, I came to know that there's a problem with camshaft position sensor, and I cross-checked it with the dash scanner. The dash scanner showed up a code of the crank position sensor. Comment will be in the description down below, and you can check it out. And I'll be posting a picture in this video, and I'll try to show what's happening, what exactly the problem is facing the car right now, and we're gonna solve the problem. Hopefully our new crankshaft position sensor is gonna solve this problem. I've heard people saying that after they change their crankshaft position sensor, this problem has gone. So let's hope for the best. I've ordered a crankshaft position sensor from the eBay. We're not sure that if that works or not, because it's also used, but it was economical, so that I opt for that option, and hopefully it'll solve our problem too. Okay, let me show you what the car does and what the problem is. Okay, so when I floor the car down, what happens is it jerks. I'll floor the accelerator and it's gonna jerk. Let's see what happens. It's fine now, but sometimes it does occasionally. Sometimes it happens and sometimes it's totally fine, and there's no engine code, there's no engine light, and I don't know what's wrong with it, but the scanner shows the code of crankshaft position sensor, and it does happen sometime, not every time, but it does happen sometime. So I'll try if it happens in this video or not, but I'll try to show you guys what's happening. Also, the starting is a bit rough. Engine doesn't idle smoothly, and okay, so here's our exhaust on the right side, and there's our sensor.